Well, good morning or afternoon or whatever time it happens to be in your location. I want to welcome you to Central Sterilization Solutions. So now that you've signed up and you're taking the online course, usually the question is how do I actually log in and access the material? So what I'm going to be doing is showing you a quick tutorial on my computer. It's going to be live, so I'll be going through the actual steps. It's not a PowerPoint presentation, and you will be able to see how it is to log in and actually access the material. The good thing is that you know what, we're going to be learning this together because this will basically be my first time doing it. All right, so here we go. First thing I'm going to do is going to go ahead and share my screen with you. And so what we're going to happen is we're going to be on the actual screen for the school site, which normally is centralsterilizationschool.com. All right. And then at this point, what you're going to do is at the top of the screen, right here where it says login in the upper right hand corner, you're just going to go ahead and click on login. It will then bring you to the login page. Now, we have set up a tutorial page, in other words, a training page so that you can see the process. So what you're going to be doing is the top line here, instead of my name or, I'm going to actually be using a fake login right now just for demonstration purposes. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be putting in your own login information right here. So you type in whatever it is that when you originally signed up. It could be your email address, could be your name. When you enrolled, you should have created your own login information. Now, if you have any issues, please feel free to contact the school at 855 234 6770 and talk to one of our staff members in the office so they can reset the password if they need to, or they can give you what your user ID information is. All right, so after you do that, then you're going to toggle through to the password line. And so for here, I'm going to go ahead and type in what the password is for here. Hopefully it'll go through. And then you know what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on log in. And it'll typically, I use Firefox, so it asks me to save the information. I'm not going to do that. So, and then now you're logged in. It'll have your username up here. I had typed in student 50, and this is just a temporary login for now. So it'll have your name here, so you'll know that you're logged in. Then you have the your dashboard and a list of stuff at the top right here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on courses. It'll take you to the page. Then you will see right here where it says Certified Registered Central Service Technician Financing. If that's what you did, if you originally signed up and paid the $800 down, then it'll give you the first set of chapters that you'll have access to the videos and all. If you had signed up for full certification or for the full class, then it would have given you access to the entire website. So what you're going to do is you're going to then click on that. It'll then bring you to this page here. And then what you're going to do is up here in the upper right hand corner where it says start course, you will just go ahead and click that. And it brings you to chapter 1, the introduction. So at this point, what you're going to be able to do is, first of all, just to explain to you, before you even log in, before you even watch the first video for chapter 1, you should have received your textbook and your workbook first. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and read through the textbook first. You're going to read for about 20 minutes at a time, and then you want to break that up over the next day or two. So read for 20 minutes, then take at least a half hour break in between. This is going to allow you to assimilate the information into your memory. And then come back, read for another 20 minutes, take another half hour break. If you do that over the next 2 days, at least break it up into, let's say, 5 to 8 sessions, depending on how big the chapter is. You will easily get through the textbook chapter. Then at that point, you're going to go to your workbook and you'll do the work section in the first section for chapter 1. Once you complete that and you check your answers and you've gone through back to the chapter and looked up any answers that you might have gotten wrong, then you're going to go on to your chapter quiz and do, all right, and then you're going to correct it as well. At that point, that's when you're going to log into the website. You're going to go to chapter 1 and you're going to watch the video. Now, at the end of this video, I believe you will be able to go ahead and redo the chapter quiz again, and that'll give you your updated score so that you know how well you did. And then you'll go on to the next chapter. So let's say we go through, and here is an example of what, when you click on the video, what you will be getting. Okay, so when you go through and you're going to click on the video. All right, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Central Sterilization Solutions. My name is Harry Mullen. I'm your instructor for this course. And let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about myself before I get into Chapter 1. Now, I don't want to spoil the surprise for you for any of the videos. So let's just assume that you've watched this entire video. We will fast forward it to the end and see what it will allow us to do after that. So very good. All right, then we click on, I guess, back to course, continue the course. Yes, and then at that point, it immediately brings you to Chapter 1 quiz. All right, then at the bottom of the screen here, you see where it says Start Quiz. All right, you'll go ahead and click on that. You need a minimum of 70%. So this quiz here had 10 questions, so you need a minimum of 7 answers correct in order to pass it. All right, so you're going to go ahead and take that and submit it, and then it will automatically grade it. And at that point, you'll be given options in order to go ahead and be able to review the questions you got wrong and tell you what the correct answer was. It'll show you what the answer you selected was, and it will select and tell you what the correct answer is. All right, so that's it for now. I look forward to doing the next tutorial video for you very shortly. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.